Hello, or well, I don't know if you heard me the first time. Hello there, people of the internet. This is cattle bats, doing cattle bats things. You know, I usually do Minecraft or Geometry, but I also play this game every once in a while, and I've been grinding. Anyways, aside from that, this is the floating continent into the future, chapter 1. I'm probably going to clear this with ease because I have some overpowered Ubers against aliens. But, shall we know? Shall we not? I don't know. So, let's see. See if we win this or we lose trying. Now, I've actually played this game before. So I know exactly how it works, probably, but that was from like a year ago, and I don't remember nowadays. Right. Firstly, we get Urin as a backliner, because she's the goat of just making everything fall in the path. What the fuck? Why she ain't doing shit, bro? And she's supposed to be like a nuclear or something, bro. Alright, whatever, bro. Let me get... Oh, God. Let me get him out there. Conjure, easy win, bro. It's gotta be an easy, second easy win, bro. You see, I'm beating this easy, bro. I'm on easy mode, badass. See, bro, so easy. I'm winning. See, insta win, bro. I'm so overpowered. Jesus, bro. This guy is carrying me so much, bro. And these two, those two, oh my god, bro. They're carrying me so much. Oh, yes, bro. Let's go. Let's absolutely go, bro. Even spin a cat capsule. Oh, no, why did I send up the storage? I could have just used that. Anyways, this is absolutely amazing. And now, this is the only thing we have left. Ooh, rare ticket? Ooh, I'm gonna need that. Superfest is coming up soon. Lock in, bro. Lock in. I know it's gonna be hard, especially because of the boss having very long range. In fact, they're actually based off an animal called a sea angel, and sea angels will look really cool. Okay. Got a hit. Yes, my goat. I'm not putting very much real strategy because I kind of forgot how to play the goals. I've seen TVs of it, but oh man. Yeah, we need lock in though. Dude, how did I miss? Okay, but we can do that again. Thank god his attack is like, we're knocking it back so good, dude. Holy, dude. Oh, a savage blow. Holy. Jeez! We're gonna win, bro! This is easy! I don't even need, like... Holy, bro! Holy! I don't even need, like... Jesus, bro. That was the easiest fight ever. That was so easy. And as I read... And so, the alien empire fell before the power of the cat army. A new world has emerged of the cats, by the cats, for the cats. This life will surely become even more punishing and cruel. Or well, that's what I thought. But in the end, nothing really changed. Well, if I have to say something, cats star in a lot more TV dramas these days. That's pretty much it. Now we have a lot of cute big sister characters on TV. Okay. Aliens became less trendy, so we don't get parts anymore. Hey, do you remember that? Yeah, well, pushing and pulling on that is the new comedy boom. Oh, and one more thing. I just got back from drinking with the cats. They were a little tipsy, but they seemed very interested in our planet. I was cornered for over an hour. They kept asking things like, "Is there cat food over there?" They were so persistent, I finally just said, "Yeah, sure." Suddenly their eyes were gleaming with childlike joy. I hear they're building a rocket now. Do you think? No, there's no way. Anyhow, congrats, the Battle Cats. Thank you, the Battle Cats. Cattle Bats. Onward into an endless universe. The end. Thank you for gaying. Beautiful. And into the future, chapter 2, blah 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 blah. Nobody cares. I've already been here before. Now we're just gonna check our rewards. I don't care about champions soon. I captured 250 captured. I have a lot. 1.5 million XP. Easy. I'm not gonna use my red ticket because Super Fest is coming up. I was about to use it. Anyways. It's interesting. Now, this is Into the Future Chapter 2. Back when I played before, I never actually fully cleared it. And I still never had. Anyways, so, what do I do now? Do I just sit here? Wait. Wallow in my sadness. Anyways, Enigma. What the fuck is an Enigma? Ooh. Seems interesting. Let's check out. Only an hour left, and I ain't doing all that. So, I mean, I guess that's cool. Ah, Cats of the Cosmos. I'm not doing that. Nice. Battle Cats. Beautiful game. You should try it out too. But pretty cool.